Here we are using the Hobie kayaks with pedals, and this is Beaver Creek, and we're doing a little panoramic shot, and there's Megan on hers. And we're going to get a picture of Annie flying into the water. Okay, ready, go! Come on, Annie! Come on, Annie! Annabelle, come on! Annie, come on! Annie, come on! Come on, Annie! Come on! Annabelle! Annabelle, come on, Annie! Annie, come on! Annie, come on, Annie! Come on, Annie! And here comes Annie. Annie the yellow sea otter. Come on, Annie! Oh, such a good girl, aren't you, huh? Yes. How's the swimming, huh? Where are you going? Across the front of the kayak. Looks like she's going for Meg. Hello. Coming around the side. Hey, sea otter. Come on. Crazy dog. Annabelle. Okay, we're going to head upstream for a little bit. I've got my phone, so if you're not around, I'll call you. We'll probably be gone about a half hour. Hey, Julia. Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera. All right, you ready? So we're a little farther up the river here. I'm going to try and see if I can show. There's a couple of eagles up there. Wrong tree. There's two eagles, one right at the top and then one down a little bit. The tip top of that tree. I don't think it'll zoom that fast enough. Those are cool. Look how big they are. Yeah, one of them's sitting on this side of the tree. Better zoom. On the hunt for some beavers. You have them? Yeah, I bet you they stay there a lot. Look how beautiful and glassy the water is. No wind at all in here today. How's it going, Meg? You got that kayak dialed? And what have we seen so far for wildlife?
Eagles.
Yeah.
And lots of birds.
And golden retrievers.
Yeah. And little kids.
Yeah, there's lots of birds, isn't there? It's getting kind of hot out here, isn't it? Let's see what's on around the bend here. Beaver Creek, Oregon. I think there's some beaver dams right up here, if I remember right.
There are somewhere.
Yeah, remember the first one was up here on the right a little ways. It's pretty deep here. Okay, pull up alongside. I'm going to take a video of you going really fast.
Why?
As fast as you can go, because I think that'd be cool. Get ready when I tell you. We'll have you go fast. Ready? On your mark. Get set, go! Oh, man. The feet going. You're totally throwing a wake. Huh? Oh, there's one up here before too long. Uncle, man. My quads are burning. You're killing me, dude. That makes my legs burn like a mother. I'm out of shape. Megan and Peter on the prowl in Beaver Creek looking for beaver lodges, beaver dams, beavers, or birds. Let's see what we can see here. I think he went in about another 20 feet in front of you on the left. Uh-oh. There he goes. Yep. He's behind the trees there, so I don't know how good it'll come out. I don't know if this video, you know, 'cause it's just a flip video, so you're pretty limited as far as this stuff. Stuff is technical for focus and things like that. Yeah, you want to race, huh? Huh? Oh, yeah. He must have been in there looking for fish. I think this was one of their... Here it is, Meg. There's a beaver lodge right there. So there's our first beaver lodge hidden into the bank. He's got all this sticks piled on top and a lot of mud. And then the entrance would be right underneath the water. He's got a nice roof on there, doesn't he? You could see his little path for going up and working on his roof. Looks like he used part of this downed tree to kind of get it going. Very cool.